In this presentation, you're going to learn how your local business will benefit from using Facebook ads just by using these 3 strategies. Facebook can be a bit complicated due to the number of advertising objectives and ad formats that you can choose from. Take note, however, that not all ad objectives will work for local businesses. Some objectives work great for online businesses, while some work best with mobile apps. You must have at least an idea of a good strategy, or maybe even a few strategies that will work best for your local business. Check out the 3 strategies below. 1. Make people aware of your business. Depending on the size of your town or city, people may not know about your business, so you need to introduce yourself to them. One of the best ways to do this is by spending a few dollars on Facebook ads. You can choose the brand awareness or reach objectives to educate people about your business and what you can do for them. In your ad, make sure you clearly indicate where your business is located, what the nearest landmarks are, your contact details, and your business hours. Make it easy for people to find and contact you. 2. Sponsor an event. Sponsoring an event will depend on the nature of your business. If you're a restaurant, you may want to introduce a happy hour promo. If you're a bookstore, you may want to organize a book signing session with a well-known author. If you're a dentist, you may want to give away a free 10-minute consultation for 50 people. You can get creative with your event. You just need to make sure you're appealing to the right audience, that is, the people who are going to be interested in what you have to offer. 3. Use pictures of actual customers. Most ads on Facebook show stock photos, and you know they're stock photos because you've seen them in a million other ads. Using pictures or videos of your actual local customers will make your business more relatable to your target audience. They'll probably recognize the people on your ad, and it will more than likely pique their curiosity. And when they get curious, they'll find the time to visit your store.